We need to talk about a lot of important things about Shibuya as usual. In case you missed it, the movie from this morning is likely one of the most important things you need to see or hear. It looks like everything will go very well this weekend. Also, there are moves going on right now that people need to be aware of, as well as an airdrop that I want to warn people about. Welcome to the channel. My name is Laksai. Please click the subscribe button below and the bell button again. It's free and will help us connect with you. It will let you know whenever there is new live video on the channel. Whales are something we haven't really talked about in the last few days. The market has been going up and down, and I'm sure people are wondering what they're doing right now. After all, the ship price has been going up and down and trying to peak here, right? Some people have been fighting back against us. Our situation is getting a little better right now. We should definitely turn this around and start to make the move I was talking about earlier today. A breakout, a 20% move would be great. I'm sure that would make everyone happy right now. Another thing I'd like to talk about is what whales are doing, since I read a story that said $2 million were being taken out of exchanges. That's why whales keep buying and pulling, buying and pulling, buying and pulling and pulling. And this trend has been going strong for a very long time. As we remember, there was only that big dump on October 14th, which was worth almost a trillion Shibino. Since then, whales have slowly but surely added to their shares. They added about $500 billion on the 18th. On the 19th, it was 60 billion, 214 billion on the 20th. Yesterday, it was 73 billion. For this reason, they are slowly but surely getting stronger. It has been said that whales hurt Shibino in the past. The whales are now buying, shopping and shopping as retail shows some softness and some retail is unloading. More and more of these whales are showing up. Then what are they going to do with it? Is it being flipped? No. There is a net flow of money. In other words, they are buying and keeping. But they keep taking things away from trades while this is going on. Okay, we saw another $2 million worth of Shiba Inus taken off of platforms. That's a very important theme that's making this road easier and easier for Shiba Inus. But I won't go into too much detail about it. The prices might not change right away because of this, but the trend has begun, right? That's why SHIB is making this move up so easy. The amount of SHIB that's traded hasn't gone through the roof, but in the last 24 hours, it was $330 million. There aren't many big events today, but since these days are more like days in the past, it's easier for SHIB to make bigger moves. That is the most important thing you need to know. In other words, these trends are still going strong. They have a great theme. And let's hope that these whales only want what's best for them. We hope that they keep buying and holding for a long time. Many of these things have been building up for a long time and will stay in place for months or even years. We've seen that from whales that have come off the hook before. They were here when the market last went down. They've been here since the beginning of the bear market. So the long-term view is really taking hold or striking a chord with people as we get closer to art season, which will be a really exciting time in the market. Finally, I came across a story that I believe everyone should read. It's about SHIB Inu officially announcing a new airdrop for SHIB holders. I don't know much about this airdrop, and I want to stress how important it is to be very careful with things like this. For instance, it said that the SHIB Inu ecosystem team was giving away 10 million. This video wasn't paid for. I have no idea what fill ticket is. I'm not going to do this. Yes, it says which beneficiary will get. Wow, with up to 500,000 fill. Guaranteed for each recipient. It says that you have been eligible for the airdrop since August 28, 2024. You need a bag that doesn't hold your money. Now here's the deal. During these times, I don't play many games at the places where I go. Please don't think I'm cute. If there are things like these, you should be very careful because some people are releasing tokens with bad intentions. They want to take everything you own from you. Many times I've seen people fall for bad forms of these kinds of things. And I want to stress again that now is the worst time to do that because the market is entering some of its most exciting and most important growth periods. Do not drop your bag, do not mess things up. This project might be a good idea. That could be something that could make you extra cash on the side. I think you should move your Shibino to a different wallet before or after you do it if you go ahead with it. Make sure you guys are just doing your research when it comes to a lot of these things. I'm not sure again. I just thought I'd tell you guys about that. I'd love to know what you think. Do these whales keep making the same noise? Are they going to keep taking things off of exchanges? Are you going to take part in this airdrop? Do you know more than I do about it? Have a great day, show your love below, and let me know what you think. I'll see you all in the next one. Be careful.